I feel stuck, like my whole mind is wrapped in fog. My head feels heavy, and my thoughts are crowded, buzzing like too many tabs open on a laptop. Messages, plans, reminders, notifications, everything is shouting for attention. I can't breathe. I hate this feeling. I'm exhausted, but rest refuses to come. I work, I scroll, I read, I reply, but none of it feels alive.
Morning, sis. Wow. You look not okay.
Thanks, Ethan. Truly inspiring.
No. I mean, you look stressed. Seriously stressed. What's going on with you?
I don't know, I just feel tired. Tired of screens, tired of messages, tired of expectations, tired of everything.
Then stop. Close it all. Take a break.
A break? Ethan, I don't even have time to breathe properly. How am I supposed to take a break?
That's exactly why you need one. Come on, get up. We're going out.
Out? I have work. I have emails lined up from last night. I have plans for today.
Let the plans wait. You're more important than your calendar. I'm serious, Chloe. Get dressed. I'm taking you somewhere.
Where?
Nature, air, trees, sunlight. Something your tired soul clearly forgot about. Right now, you look like a wilted plant.
Wow. Thank you again.
Hey, I'm trying. Plants need sunlight and water. You need sunlight, fresh air, and yes, coffee.
Coffee is acceptable.
Good. Coffee first, stress detox second. After that, we're leaving the city. No excuses.
Fine, fine. I'll go change.
Great. I'll grab the keys.
The air outside is cold, but strangely comforting.
See? Step 1. Breathe. Step 2. Enjoy. No pressure.
All right, I'm trying. Let's go. The city feels extra loud today. Cars, horns, voices, it's overwhelming.
It's always loud. You're just finally noticing it.
The air looks clearer as we drive away.
Because we're leaving stress behind. That's the whole mission today.
This place, wow, it's beautiful, and we only just arrived.
Told you. I found it last month with some friends.
I forgot what this feels like. Space, green, silence, birds, sunlight, and, okay, probably bugs.
Don't start. Come on. We're here to relax.
The air smells different. Clean, sharp, real.
Ready?
Ready? The sound of the dirt path is so gentle, soft but crunchy, like nature's own ASMR track.
Free ASMR therapy. You're welcome.
You're funny.
And you're finally smiling. That's progress.
Listen, the birds. The chirping feels so clear here.
Because cars don't scream louder than nature out here.
Everything feels slower, softer, lighter.
That's the whole point. Slow down. Breathe. Reset.
Oh, water. Look at that. It's so clear. The surface looks like glass, and I can see the stones underneath.
And the sand, like a quiet song playing for your tired brain.
My brain is tired.
That's okay. Let nature do its thing.
It feels strange, not checking my phone, not planning, not rushing, just walking.
Exactly. No schedule, no pressure. You're allowed to exist without performing.
The sunlight is warm on my face. The breeze is cool. It feels like the world is holding both emotions at once. Warm and cold, busy and quiet.
See? Life has balance. You're finally noticing it.
Maybe nature is making me think deeper.
Good. Think more. Stress less.
My legs are getting tired, but I don't mind.
That's because your heart is waking up again.
My heart?
Yep. It's been buried under emails, expectations, notifications, and deadlines.
That sounds painfully true. Oh, wow. Look at that view.
Right? I love this part. It looks like a green ocean. Waves of leaves instead of water.
It feels so quiet here. No traffic, no alarms, no buzzing, just peace.
That's what I wanted for you. A big, empty space for your mind to breathe.
Thank you for dragging me out of the house.
Dragging is my superpower.
I believe that. I. The lake? Oh my. It's beautiful. The water looks still, but there's life underneath. It's calming, like the world is whispering instead of yelling.
Sit, watch, feel. Let your brain settle.
In the city, I try to control everything my time, my work, my schedule. But sitting here, I feel small. In a good way.
Nature reminds you that life is bigger. Bigger than your stress. Bigger than your worries. Bigger than your inbox.
Yes. I feel that. I really feel it. I like this. I really like this.
Then hold on to this feeling. Keep it with you for when life starts shouting again.
Let's go back to the trees, the water, the open sky.
We will. Don't worry. We're staying as long as you need.
I want to stay until sunset. I want to see the whole day shift into night.
Good. The sunset here isn't just pretty, it's healing. Pure magic.
Then let's stay. I don't want to rush. Not anymore. The sky is changing. Orange melting into pink, then gold, then something softer.
Beautiful, right? Quiet, peaceful, nothing pulling you away.
It feels perfect, like the world finally paused.
You're thinking again.
I always think, my brain never stops.
Then talk. Let some of those thoughts out before they crush you.
I'm tired, Ethan. Really tired. Tired in a way that sleep can't fix. I feel like I'm always running. Running to be good, running to be perfect, running to meet everyone's expectations.
Then stop running.
I can't. I have responsibilities, goals, deadlines. People expect things from me. I can't just drop everything.
Why not? Who decided you have to sprint through your own life?
Because if I stop, I fall behind. If I rest, I feel guilty. If I slow down, I feel weak. I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. I'm tired of smiling when I don't feel anything. I'm tired of being strong every single day. I feel like I can't breathe, Ethan. I just can't.
Good. Say it. Don't hide it. Don't fold it up and put it in your pocket. Let it out.
I feel lost. Like I'm moving through life but not actually living it. Like I'm watching myself from far away.
You know what I think? You care so much about being enough for everyone else that you never ask yourself what you want. You work hard. You try. You show up. You give pieces of yourself every day. That's strength, Chloe, not weakness.
And why do I feel so empty inside?
Because you never stop. You never breathe. You run, but you don't rest. You push, but you don't recover. You move forward, but you never allow yourself to just be. Look around you. The world is huge. Your stress is small compared to all of this. Life is more than screens, schedules, and pressure. You deserve open space. You deserve slow mornings. You deserve peace.
I want peace, Ethan. I really want it.
Then choose it. Not all at once, but a little bit every day. Start today. Start with this sunset.
Thank you for dragging me out here.
Always. If your brain starts spinning again, call me. I'll drag you out as many times as needed.
I know you will. The colors on the water are unbelievable. Soft, glowing, calm. The breeze is gentle, like the world is breathing slower on purpose. This moment feels real. This peace feels real. I want to carry it with me.
Then hold it. Don't let the world steal it from you. Remember the colors, the smell of the trees, the sound of the water. Let it stay with you.
I feel lighter, like some heavy part of me finally loosened its grip.
Good. Don't pick that weight up again. Not tonight. Not tomorrow.
I'll try. Today, I didn't run away from life. I came back to it.
Exactly. That's the whole point.
Thank you for walking with us today. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to Chloe Daily English. Tell me in the comments, where do you go to find peace? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay calm, stay gentle, and take really good care of yourself. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.